\hashtag team walkthrough. \hashtag overview. The Team Room is a Linux-based TryHackMe machine that focuses on reconnaissance, web enumeration, local file inclusion, LFI, credential discovery, SSH access, command injection, privilege escalation, and insecure backup scripts. The attack chain consisted of 1 / reconnaissance, 2 / web enumeration, 3 / virtual host discovery, 4 / local file inclusion, LFI, 5 / SSH private key disclosure, 6 / SSH access as Dale, 7 / privilege escalation to Giles, 8 / writable backup script abuse, 9 / root access, 10 / flag collection, ## phase 1 reconnaissance, ## map scan. A full TCP scan was performed to identify open services. ## services identified. /SSH 22. /HTTP 80. The HTTP service became the initial attack surface. ## phase 2 web enumeration. The website was explored manually before directory enumeration. Directory brute forcing was performed using GoBuster. Interesting directories were identified and manually investigated. ## phase 3 virtual host enumeration. Additional virtual hosts were discovered. The local hosts file was updated. Browsing the development site revealed a vulnerable PHP application. ## phase 4 local file inclusion. The vulnerable parameter allowed arbitrary file reads. Example. Successful disclosure confirmed an LFI vulnerability. Additional sensitive files were retrieved including //etc/password, /user home directories, /SSH configuration, /SSH private keys, ## phase 5 SSH access. A disclosed SSH private key belonging to Dale was downloaded. Permissions were corrected. SSH login. Successful authentication provided a low-privileged shell. ## phase 6 user enumeration. Basic enumeration was performed. The user belonged to several interesting groups. Further investigation revealed an executable owned by another user. ## phase 7 command injection. The script accepted user input and executed it without sanitization. Relevance section. This resulted in command execution as Giles. Verification. Output. An interactive shell was spawned using. This provided an interactive shell running with the privileges of Giles. ## phase 8 privilege escalation. Enumeration as Giles identified a writable backup script. Permissions. Group ownership. Since Giles belongs to the admin group, the script was writable. The original script copied website files into the backup directory. It was replaced with a payload that creates a SUID copy of bash. Example payload. Once the scheduled task executed, the payload created. Running. Returned. ## phase 9 flag collection. User flag. Root flag. Both flags were successfully captured. / #attack summary. Reconnaissance. Web enumeration. Virtual host discovery. Local file inclusion. SSH key disclosure. SSH access, Dale. Command injection. Shell as Giles. Writable backup script. Scheduled task execution. Root shell. Capture root.txt. ## key lessons. #always enumerate virtual hosts. #LFI vulnerabilities frequently expose sensitive credentials. /SSH private keys should never be accessible through web applications. / never execute user input directly inside scripts. / scheduled tasks should not rely on writable scripts. / group write permissions on privileged scripts can completely compromise a system. / hashtag tools used. /Nmap. /GoBuster. /SSH. /bash. /Linux enumeration commands. /find. /cat. /nano.